Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Film Halation Effect to your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, you can see in the timeline I have got a stock footage. You can use any footage that you like. Firstly, I am going to duplicate the video one time. You can do this by selecting the video layer on the timeline. Then, hold the Alt or Command key on your keyboard combined with the left mouse button, and then drag and drop the video one track above. Now you can see we have a total of 2 copies. Next, move over to the Effects panel to apply some effects. Firstly, I'm going to apply a Luma key effect. Let's drag and drop the Luma key effect onto the top video clip. After that, I'm going to apply another effect. This is a Gaussian blur effect. Let's drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect onto the top video clip. In the next step, let's go over to the Effect Controls panel to customize all the effects. Firstly, from the Luma key effect, we have to make the threshold parameter value around 90%, and then we need to make the cutoff parameter value around 85%. And lastly, from the Gaussian blur effect, we have to make the blurriness parameter value around 108. Alright, now you can see the changes on the program monitor. With these couple of steps, we have added the film halation to our video. If we turn off the visibility of the top video, you can see the changes on the program monitor. In this way, you can add film halation to your videos in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.